most horrific natural disasters ever caught on camera. In this video, we can show 4 scary natural disasters. Let us start now. This can be happened in Congo. A rock slide in the city of Katanga in Congo due to copper mining.
Ni cuivre papa. Cuivre produit. This is walisema kwako hakuna produit. Wanakufa wengine. Wengine wanakufa. Wengine wanakufa. Wengine wanakufa Mungu. Wengine wanakufa. Wengine wanakufa. Wengine wanakufa. Babu mbapu tunebonesha mukimbie. Limonde baba. Meza bone mwangalie. Wengine tulebakataza wanakufa mumai. Hii ni mambo.
Second one from South Africa. A large hail fall in Elliot of the Eastern Cape province in South Africa on 18th November 2024. Number 3, this video from Australia. An incredible hail hit Australian some of the cities. This one from Dominican Republic. Last year 2023, same month, when these floods are happened, so many cars are stuck today. It's a very incredible and scary moment. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Se fue en todo aquí, vos.